Hello, my name is Jimmy with Top Time Roofing. Today we're here at 135 Delaware Avenue, Riverside, New Jersey, Mr. Joseph Carrosella house. We are about to do a attempt repair with a shingle, 3-top shingle. As you can see, we have a missing shingle here. We did try to find the same exact shingle that you guys requires, but unfortunately our suppliers and a couple more suppliers, they cannot get it. So that's why, I'm trying to do repair with 3-top black shingle color. So as you can see, we have a missing shingle. We're gonna be doing repair and see how the shingle, see how the repair goes. If the shingle is too brutal to do repair, so we're gonna start removing shingles around, so we can remove the nails that is on top. So that's the end over here. So this is the end over here. So we're gonna start removing the nails that is on top. So I do have to remove also the nails that are here, because the shingle goes all the way to the top, the second line. So we're gonna also remove these nails. So we got the shingle off. This is the old shingle. We're gonna start installing the new shingle, which is pretty much the same size. So here in this part, I'm going to try to nail it back, but to do that, I have to lift it up the shingle that is on top, so I can be able to nail it. I'm going to do with much careful as I can. things. I just finished nailing back in the shingle. One of the things that the shingle is already it's already to a point that once you remove it, the shingles there completely lose it, so they will not stick together back on. And one of the other things is that what I've been doing, that it caused a crease right about here. Same thing on this one, while I was doing the repair, removing and putting the new shingle on. So there's two things going on right now. And then also this house has solar panels too, and then there's some areas where missing shingles are next to the solar panels, and we cannot repair those areas because solar panels are on top. I'm gonna be sending photos on the clear sections where you can see the missing shingles underneath the solar panels. We're almost underneath, not underneath, but next to the solar panels. But to remove that shingle, half of the shingle is inside under the solar panels. So I'm gonna be sending also the photos, and please take a note about the situation.